Hey guys, good morning. It's already lunchtime, which is why I'm in the alley of barbecue. We're going to grab some Rocklands, then we're going to go up to Capitol Hill. There's supposed to be a protest up there. Maybe, kinda. Let's go see what we can see. But first, let's get some barbecue. Oh, I can smell it. Right here, I can smell it. It's so good. Oh. Lunch. All right, here come the trucks. Donald Trump returns tomorrow. That means the satellite TV trucks are getting set up today. They're doing hot ropes. Let's see what they're doing here. Bunch of guys on the bricks. Let's see. Bike racks are back at the U.S. Capitol. We have a Gaza protest this afternoon. We'll see if it gets ugly. So this house down here next to the Senate building, this is the home of the National Women's Party. That was the suffragettes. But back in the old days, this was the home of Albert Gallatin, peace negotiator and Secretary of the Treasury. I believe his statue is the one that you see in front of the Treasury building down at the White House. He negotiated the Treaty of Ghent, ending the War of 1812. And it was from this house that Commodore Barry and some of his Chesapeake flotilla, they offered resistance to the British when they invaded, shooting at them. And the British burned part of the house as a retaliation. Now this house is a museum, the Sewell Belmont House Museum, right next to the Hart Senate Office building. Let's come in here and learn about suffragettes and whatnot. All right, let's go inside. Now in the basement of the Russell building, trying to get out of this warren of tunnels that exists. All these buildings are connected, so we just have to find the right path. Here we go. So this leads to the Dirksen building and then to the Hart building. The protesters are making their way around, kind of randomly picking senators to die in their offices. Then they leave after a few minutes before the police arrive.
What else can we do? Honest question. What else can we do? This is all like that is the importance of speaking out. Thank you.
So that much was in the U.S. for Americans, for our country, for mental health, for our teachers.
So yeah, that's what you get sometimes. You walk around for hours and you get 4 people painting their hands with blood and whatever. That's pretty much a protest. Exciting. We thought there were going to be hundreds of people after what happened in New York today. In the end, there was probably about 24 in 6 different groups moving around. We followed them for a while and then, yeah, I got my photo. Anyway, let's go see if we can track Trump. He's on his way to Washington, D.C. sometime today or tomorrow. Let's go check out the aviation boys and see what they know. Okay, guys, so we are at National Airport, where there's a 50-50 chance Trump will come here tomorrow. We're not sure if he's going to come here. It would make sense to come here, but he could go to Dulles because, you know, he has this golf course out by Dulles. So I'm just going to take a quick look out here, see if I can see anything unique or interesting. Maybe some sort of vehicle preparation or something like that. If not, well, then we just went for a nice little drive. So on my left, that's the private jet service. There's a big old white jet right there. Not sure who's that. It's like a totally unmarked jet, no tail or anything. And the last time he came, his motorcade was being prepped down by the fire station. So we're going to just roll down here and see what we can see. Well, so last time down here on my right, this is where his motorcade was forming, and there's nothing here at the moment. So I don't think he's coming tonight. And that's at least not in the next couple hours. The Secret Service is pretty prompt in getting things ready in advance. So, all right, let's head home. Okay, guys, that's what I got for today. Not a really busy day, but right now at the White House, there is a suspicious package call for the DC Fire Department. Apparently, a vehicle has run into a barrier at 15th and H. I'll try to get down there and get some photos of that. Tomorrow, Donald Trump back in Washington. He's going to court. I'm going to be at the airport or I'll be at the courthouse. I'll show you what I see. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. I got to get back to work.